Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of something very special that I got. As you can probably tell by the title above, I ordered a Gucci Marmont bag, and I ordered from this website called Net-a-Porter. If you don't know about this website, it's basically a website that carries all the designer like brands and stuff, and they carry a lot of their bags and other stuff too. But I just thought it was convenient to like browse through all of the bags, from different designers, and then order the one that I liked. And I have been wanting this bag for a while, so I thought I'll just go ahead and order. I received this in, I would say it took in a total of 5 days or 6 days. A total of 6 days it took to like ship and for me to get it. So fairly, I mean, it's pretty fast. It was like express shipping or something. Not even 6 days, I think 5 days, but doesn't matter. It's been sitting in my closet for 3 days now, and I've been waiting to do this video because I really wanted to do an unboxing because I love watching those kind of videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and show you guys what's inside. I'm so excited. Alright, so here is what comes inside. I think this is the receipt. Return label, and yes, that's the receipt. Cool. Alright. Getting in there. Okay, so this is what the box looks like inside the shipping box. I like the ribbon and like very sleek. I like it. Alright. So this is what the box looks like. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. Can you guys see? Oh, I can just slide it off, I think. I'm super bad at unwrapping things. Can never do it clean. Alright. Ta-da! Oh, you can't even see it. Oh my gosh. So it comes in the original dust bag, but Net-a-Porter sends it in their own box, not the Gucci box. So I don't mind that. I mean, I just care for the dust bag because I'm going to be keeping the bag in it. Let me take it out of the dust bag. Oh my gosh. Here she is. So that's the bag I got. It's the Gucci Marmont camera bag in taupe. Ooh, I love it. So pretty. That's the straps. It has this little tassel thingy. Let's open it. Oh, that's the back of it. So that's what it looks like in the back and the front of it. So let's open it. Okay, so it just looks like that. Has a little pocket here, and I think it has an authenticity card and the Controlado card actually. This is the leather swatch. So that's what it looks like inside, and that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I like it. I love the bag. So let me stand up and show you. how it would look on. I'm very pleased with my purchase, and I feel like I'm going to be using this bag a lot because of the color and how just easy it is to wear this. You know, it's just a very easy casual bag, so I think I'm going to be wearing this a lot. If you guys would like to see a makeup look actually on this look that I'm wearing today, I can definitely do that. So just let me know. What else? Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!